Hello and welcome to yet another YouTube video here on this channel. Today I'm back with another video on Tooz because it has had a couple of updates since I last used it. It is still one of my favorite apps and I love it and I recommend it to everyone. But we have a couple of new features. The first one is templating. So if you do a lot of things every single week. For example, my weekly review. I do a weekly review every single week, and that would be perfect to have inside of a template. I haven't made any templates yet simply because there has been a lot of work. I've just started a new job, but I will probably put a lot of templates into this because it just makes my workflow a lot easier for my weekly reviews mainly, but also if I ever needed to jot down a script, which I prefer to do inside of Tooz before I put it into another note-taking app or Word to write out the whole script. I do bullet points inside of Tooz. So that's great to have templates inside of the app. It also has community templates, so you can use templates other people have created. I have a plan to make a second rain template. I just haven't gotten to it yet because work. Anyways, there are another thing I wanted to touch on, and this one is actually quite nice. So we have reviews because inside of Tooz you can have lists, and as you see, I have a lot of lists. I have actually started the second brain template, I just haven't finished it. I have a lot of different lists. There are hundreds of lists inside of here, I think. But you can actually go in and review your lists, which is amazing because inside of note-taking apps, we tend to take a lot of notes, but we don't actually revisit those notes. And that's probably the worst thing you can do. Not revisiting your notes basically makes them almost useless. I tend to take a lot of notes that I forget and never look back on, and I even have duplicates of notes because I've taken the same notes several times, and having the ability to review things is amazing. And the way this works is that, so this is my weekly review from the 20th, and don't really want to revisit this, so I would press never again, and this would never again come into my reviewing into my review, so I wouldn't need to review them. I can still go and check on the never tab, but it won't pop up so I can review it. The same goes for my grocery list. I will probably never need to review this. But this is a tweet from Tiago Forte. Anything on your to-do list that you have been avoiding, it's probably a project and not a to-do. This one is actually quite good, and I want to review this again next month. And then it comes into the upcoming, and here I can see all of my upcoming, and I can actually change them as well. So again, grocery list, we have been through this, never again, and it is moved to never again. How to grow a LinkedIn page. I'm actually working on growing a LinkedIn page right now, so I would probably add this to next week. The same goes for employer branding. This is a mental health thing. I am probably not doing anything with this, so I would say next month. Weekly review, never again. You get the point. So you can go through all of these. And my recommendation would probably be to take a couple of minutes every single day just to go through these and just to see. At some point, you will have enough lists that you won't be able to go through them all, but I would probably say 5 minutes to 15 minutes every single day just to go through and get new ideas. In my case, it is mainly for my YouTube videos. Because I need to find new ideas. I also work in marketing. I work in content marketing now. So I need to find ideas for my content marketing as well and just just being able to do this can make it a lot easier to come up with new ideas. So this one probably not for another month, next year. And I never review my daily lists because they mainly have to-dos inside of them, and I don't necessarily want to review my to-dos. The same goes for my home pages. So this is my project page. I would never review this. YouTube videos, I would probably never review either. And that's simply because I use it a lot. I check this every single time I'm looking for a new YouTube video idea. So you get the hang of how this works, and this is actually amazing to have inside of your note-taking app. It just makes it a lot easier to have control over everything that is inside of it, and I don't understand why other note-taking apps haven't implemented this yet. This just makes Tooz a lot better, and it was great to start with. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't tried out Tooz, I really recommend it. It is one of the best apps I've tested out. It has an amazing community and amazing founders as well. So do check out the app, and I hope to see you again quite soon.